Oh my goodness gracious, it is happening and I have no idea if you will like it or what. But you know what? This is for me. It is mackerel. It is going to be fried mackerel cakes. Oh my goodness. I know. I can't help myself. I am craving some good fish. Okay, so we've got some portside mackerel right here. Yes, it is getting ready to happen. I just popped in 2 eggs, and you'll be the first to know that I have never made this before in my life. I've made salmon patties. Love salmon patties. But right now, y'all, this is happening right here. I just finished my very last whip for my sweet little neighbor, Ava. It is in the washer right now. Guys, this is a guess at what's happening right here. That's probably about a half cup of cornmeal. Martha White self-rising cornmeal just went in there. This is also going in. I'm going to be using bacon drippings anyway to fry this baby stuff up, but this has cheese and applewood smoked bacon in it. This is mashed potatoes. Now, I will tell you, I would have used some absolutely delicious mashed potatoes if I had any to use. Well, I don't. So, what you see right here is a mix of what's available in my pantry, and that is White Lily self-rising flour. Just you know, I'm just winging it, playing it by ear, so to speak. I did put all the juice in here from the mackerel. Well, I'm sorry. Let me take that back. I put all but a tablespoon of it in there. The other tablespoon went into the cat bowl. I know I did it. I'm just saying I did it. Okay, guys. Have you ever made delicious potato cakes? Well, this is not a potato cake. It's going to be a mackerel. Fried mackerel cake in this beautiful cast iron skillet right here. Looks like a whole new skillet, guys. Let me tell you, this skillet, it's got a little oil in it, but it got left in my oven when I did this setting right here. When I cleaned my oven, this was still in there, and guess what? It is like a brand new skillet. Everything that was on there from years gone by. This was a gift to me from my mama. Well, I didn't realize it was made in Sydney, Australia, and it is absolutely, it looks like a brand new skillet. I'm telling you, all the crusties came off of it. We're getting ready to eat, y'all, as soon as I chop up some onions and bell peppers. Green bell peppers and onions. Getting ready to happen. Yes, that is. That is onion and pepper. Oh, yeah, that is what that is. Let's see what we can do with this piece. It might not like it. Might be too much. Let's find out. good enough for me. I love it. I love it. I love it. Getting ready to happen, y'all. Gonna unplug this baby right here. Okay, guys, we're bringing Miss Goody over here. This is green peppers and onions going in. I'm almost tempted just to bake this in the oven, guys, but I've already started my skillet with some delicious bacon drippings. That's exactly what that is. I know. Leave it to this girl, this zebra in the kitchen, cooking up a storm right now. I know. It is about to happen. There's a big chunk of onion. Let me just take that piece out. Yes, so now going in, I'm using half of that because there's already flour and stuff in there. So I'm going to save this for a rainy day. Next time I try to do something like this, there's my oil getting nice and ready in the skillet. And here we go, guys. You use what's in your pantry when you're on a budget. When you're on a budget, you buy or you eat what you have, which may also be stuff from a food pantry. And yeah, just saying, beautiful people, if you are watching my videos that are coming on, but you skip all the ads, you're taking food out of my grocery budget. You're taking money out of my grocery budget. I love you. Don't be offended. Just saying it like it is, telling the truth. Whenever a channel is monetized, and I am monetized, when that channel is monetized, and you go to watch that video that I am getting ready to release here in a few minutes, when this is done and plated up, if you skip the ads that are playing, that is money that would have went to my grocery fund. Oh, I hear that skillet nice and ready. I have not, I'm going to stir this up really good one more time. I have never made this before. I have, on the other hand, made salmon patties, but this is mackerel. Okay, I'm going to just bring this over here. Sounds pretty warm. I can just tap that down right there. We will see what happens. Today was going to be a poke salad day. I did find a Ziploc bag of poke in my freezer that I thawed out, guys. There's 2 eggs in here. Y'all watched what was going on. There's no milk in here. I'm just telling you, all the liquid that you see here is from the mackerel and from the juice of the onion and the pepper. I'm going to let these simmer right here, and we'll see what they are doing here in just a jiffy. But I will show you my thawed out poke salad. It's going to have to be part of my dinner tomorrow if I feel like it. I finally had enough energy to come in here today and make this. And I have had it on my mind for a few days now. I'm excited. I did not add any seasoning to this, which, I totally forgot. So let's go ahead and put a little bit of garlic salt. Okay, that might, that's a whole lot. Let's shake some of that off into the oil. Well, that one's going to be nice and seasoned, don't you think? I'm going to let it do its thing for a little bit so we can have some crunch on the bottom. Have no idea. Oh my goodness, guys, it smells so good. Oh, that is really tasty smelling. Let's push that smell-o-vision right there. That is smelling so good. Never made this before, but you know what? We're getting ready to find out. Oh, wait. I think it's ready to be flipped. I just flipped those two. This one was put in last, but it's sticking together good. Let's wiggle these over a little bit so I can get up under here and flip this baby. Oh my goodness, yes! Oh, the crunch is calling me. Look here. Oh yeah. All right, guys, this is happening. This is happening. I'm going to plate it up in just a little bit and see what we got. Oh my goodness, it's done. They're done, y'all. They are done. Plating this up. Ain't got nothing fancy to have with it tonight because I didn't even go to that level. I just said, okay, this is what I'm making. It could probably taste really good, guys and gals, with some, what's the word? Hang on just a second. Sorry, y'all. I have to get this off of the burner. It is done. I'm going to put it down inside this very nice and clean oven. And see what we got here. Y'all ready? Oh yeah, I am. Gonna try it, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna do this. Look, you can see the onions in there. Peppers, onions. Yes. Oh, look, even that part is so... Okay, guys. Let's try this again. I'll make me a smaller piece. Put it in my mouth. Oh my goodness. I might have to bring that skillet right back out of the oven, y'all, because this, I might have to make more. I have a feeling this is going to go down the hatch and be into my belly very soon. Okay. I have no measurements for any of this, y'all, except for 2 eggs. So, and a can of mackerel. Absolutely. So if you want to try some of this, get on here and watch the video and see what all went in it. God bless you all real big. Remember, Jesus loves you and we're his favorite.